In this video I'm going to be looking at question 5 from the June 2010 Edexcel FP1 paper. The topic of the question is coordinate systems. The question starts by telling us that the parabola C has equation y squared equals 20x and asks that we verify that the point P 5t squared 10t is a general point on this parabola. It then goes on and says that the point A on the parabola has parameter t equal to 4 and a line passes through A and also passes through the focus of C, and asks us to find the gradient of that line. Well, taking these parts one at a time, then the verifying that the point 5t squared 10t is a point on C. Well, we simply need to start off by saying that y squared, the left hand side of the equation, is 20 multiplied by x, which is on the right hand side of the equation. So the left hand side is equal to 5t. Beg your pardon, the left hand side is 10t all squared, which is equal to 100t squared, and the right hand side is equal to 20 multiplied by 5t squared, which is equal to 100t squared as well. And therefore we can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, so the equation is true with those values of x and y. There's just a single B mark for that part of the question. No method needed. You just simply need to do the substitution to pick up your B mark there, B1. The second part of the question means that you need to know the focus of C. Well, if y squared is equal to 20x, then you can look this up. This means that the value of A is equal to 5, because the general expression for the curve parabola is y squared equals 4ax, and therefore a equals 5. And you can look up again on your tables that the focus is at a0, so the focus is at 5, 0. If t is equal to 4, then the point P is 5 multiplied by 4 squared, so just substituting into that general point, 5 multiplied by 4 squared and 10 multiplied by 4. So therefore that point that we've been asked for, that general value of value of t equal to 4, is A is equal to 80, 40. You're asked to find the gradient of the line that passes through these 2 points. So in other words, we're just now calculating the gradient of the line from 5, 0 to 80, 40. So that's the difference in the y values, which is 40 minus 0, divided by the difference in the x values, 80 minus 5. So it's equal to 40 divided by 75. There are 4 marks available in this part of the question. A B mark, again no method mark there, so required rather, no method required, so just a straightforward single mark for getting the 0.50, and also a B mark, don't need to show any method for that one either, for the point A. The gradient, method mark and answer mark, giving you the 4 marks in total for that part of the question. Well, that's the end of that question. Others in this module and for other modules as well can be found at www.furthermaths.org.uk.